Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Now today I've got one that I haven't had for absolutely ages. Bangers and mash onion gravy. Now I got this from Aldi. Cost me about £2.5 altogether. So let me show you what I've got. Right, what I've got myself some potatoes, 90p. Cumberland sausages, £1.35. Onions, 50p for 3. Pepper, which I already had anyway. Salt I already had. Beef stock, 50p for 4. Frying pan and a saucepan. First things first, peel the potatoes. So simple. Let's do that. Quick as a flash. Right, potatoes all done. Put some salt in. Don't be shy. Get it in. Get them on to boil. Right, while they're boiling away, get yourself an onion. Give it a chop. Right, the potatoes have just started boiling. So let's get the sausages on. Just want a drop of oil, that's all, just a little drop. Let's get the sausages on. Wrap them in the oil. And we'll just wait for them to start sizzling. Right, the sausages are nearly done. You just want a little knob of butter. Just get yourself a knob of butter. Get the onions in. The potatoes are done. I've drained the potatoes so they're steaming. Get all them juices. Get all them juices together. So leave that to simmer for a minute. I'll get a bit of salt in your potatoes. First things first, bit of pepper. Get yourself another butter, get that in. And as I say, some people use cream or milk, I prefer milk. So you drop the milk in, just start smashing away. A bit of parsley in this would be nice as well, I haven't got any. Looking nice. Let's give them onions a quick turn. They're doing nice now. Sausages will be done in about a minute. Nice and creamy, look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I've also got one of these are brilliant. Forget if you've got any lumps left in your spuds. Superb, bit in there, push down, creamy as anything. Absolutely brilliant. Right, now the sausages are done. Get yourself your beef stock, pour it in. To make your gravy. Turn it up now to boil. And if you like jam in your gravy, if you like it sweet, put a bit of jam in. Or a bit of brown sugar. Like it a sweet taste. Just let that boil for a minute. I say that's boiling away now. I mean, a lot of people use flour. I just use sauce stick now. Just get a bit in. Just give it a mix. So you can do it with flour. Just to toughen it, thicken it up a bit. Takes a minute. Got gravy coming together now, look at all that thickness. Oh, lovely. See it? Look at that. It's what you call gravy. So a bit of red jam in there, bit of strawberry jam or something in there. You like it really sweet. I don't like my gravy too sweet, to be fair. What do you think? Look, Coming on. It's looking nice now. That over the mash. Ooh. Quick taste. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. That's done. Thick gravy, I say, you don't have to have it that thick if you don't like it that thick, but that's how I like mine. Now we'll plate up, get a bit of mash. Bit of mashed potato into your thing. They make a mess these, but they're bloody good, I tell you. Look at this. Oh yes. Look at that beauty. Absolute, look at that mash. Look at that mashed potato. Oh my God. Couple of lovely sausages. Ooh, bangers and mash. Bangers and mash. Look at it, look at that gravy. Just look at it. I love thick gravy, mate. Let's pile some on, pile some on. Look at that thick gravy, look at the thickness of that. Oh my God. Wow. Absolute wow. Look at that. Beautiful there, look. Absolute stunning. Stunning. Bangers and mash, onion gravy, simple food. There we go. Bangers and mash, onion gravy. Look at that beauty. Oh, look at it. Look at the onions in there, look. Let's have a taste. Oh, so creamy that is. Oh, the flavours. Oh, wow. Bit of sausage. Bit of Cumberland. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, wow. Absolute wow. Look. Bit of both. Yes. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. So £1 for the potatoes. £1.35 I think it was for the sausage. It's £2.35. Onions, 50p for 3. £2.85, whatever it is. Bit of salt and pepper. You're laughing. Say, I am the old food guy. If you do like content like this, budget food, cheap and cheerful, fills your belly, keeps you warm. Like and subscribe, leave us a comment, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Yeah. See ya. Thanks for watching. Perfect. Absolutely perfect.